Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your source for the latest AI-generated news on XRP, crypto, and precious metals. Our 100% AI-generated news content is based on real-time events and uploaded 1 to 4 times a day. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to our channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out our recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Xrp New News Update. Market experts predict that there could be significant market shifts in the cryptocurrency industry once XRP is officially classified as a non-security. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the US SEC is of great interest to the crypto community, with many watchers predicting that the market will react strongly to the final verdict. Renowned trader Tree of Alpha recently shared his views on the situation, stating that if XRP is classified as a non-security, it could trigger an uptrend for the top 300 assets in the crypto market. The trader explained that a verdict in favor of Ripple would also discourage the SEC from pursuing legal action against other crypto companies or assets in the future, as the regulatory agency has a history of enforcing actions against digital assets and trying to classify most tokens as securities under its jurisdiction. This viewpoint is shared by other influential figures within the cryptocurrency community, including BitBoy, who has been vocal in promoting XRP's potential for growth in the upcoming market-wide bull run. BitBoy believes that XRP will stand tall as the best-performing asset in the next bull run if the Ripple vs. SEC case ends with a favorable ruling or a settlement with terms that declare that XRP is not a security. Dirk Schepens, founder of Xspectre, also believes that XRP is the only asset besides BTC capable of moving the crypto market, as evidenced by XRP's latest rally. Overall, the classification of XRP as a non-security could potentially trigger a widespread rally for the crypto market's leading assets. Xrp New News Update. According to Whale Alert, more than 115 million XRP, worth approximately $60 million, have been moved ahead of the US SEC chair testimony. This comes as Ripple Labs and its executives eagerly await the outcome of their legal battle with the US SEC. In the past 24 hours, crypto whales have bought over 73.4 million XRP tokens, worth around $37.5 million. However, 48 million XRP tokens, worth approximately $25 million, were accumulated from the Bitso crypto exchange. The movement of XRP has coincided with the crypto market turning green, with Bitcoin, BTC, experiencing a 3% jump in price in the last 24 hours, allowing it to regain the $30,000 price level. Bitcoin is currently trading at an average price of $30,327, with a 24-hour trading volume up by 2% to stand at $17.7 billion. The digital asset market cap has also risen by over 2% in the past day, reaching $1.28 trillion. XRP's price has also seen a 2% increase in the last 24 hours, with the token trading at an average price of 52 cents and a 24-hour trading volume up by 6% to stand at $1 billion. Xrp New News Update. It seems that XRP has been grabbing the attention of investors in South Korea, according to a recent report by Kaiko. The analysis shows that XRP has become the most popular altcoin in the country, resulting in a surge in its trading volume. The data provider analyzed several crypto exchanges, including Korea's 4 biggest exchanges and Coinbase, and found that XRP's trading volume reached almost $16 billion since the beginning of the year, surpassing Nano, XNO, and Dogecoin, Doge. Whalewire, a source for crypto insights, also confirmed the surge in Ripple's native token trading volumes within exchanges in South Korea. The attention on XRP is not limited to South Korea, as whales across the globe are also focusing on the token. According to Whale Stats, the top 100 Binance Smart Chain whales hold more than 52.6 million XRP tokens, worth almost $26.87 million in the current market prices. The growing accumulation of XRP tokens may be connected to the expectation of a favorable ruling in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. XRP has witnessed an exciting price rally this year, and the growing interest from South Korean investors in the asset has supported the token's rally. From the beginning of 2023, the price of XRP has been increasing progressively, hitting the 50 cents level on March 28 and hovering around that region till April 18. The price action for Ripple's native token over the past 90 days and 30 days indicated a surge of 33.46% and 35.67%, respectively. At the time of writing, XRP is trading at 52.12 cents, showing a rise of 2% over the past 24 hours. Xrp New News Update. In an April 18 hearing on oversight of the SEC, Representative Patrick McHenry criticized the Securities and Exchange Commission and its leadership over digital assets. McHenry reiterated calls for U.S. lawmakers to provide clear rules of the road for crypto through legislation. During the hearing, McHenry pressed SEC Chair Gary Gensler to give a definitive answer on whether Ether qualified as a security under the SEC's purview or a commodity under the Commodity Future Trading Commission's. McHenry repeatedly talked over Gensler's responses that did not include specifics. Gensler has previously stated that all cryptocurrencies except for Bitcoin are securities and that exchanges dealing in them must register. However, McHenry noted the lack of clarity in regulatory categorization and how it affects the market. The SEC and CFTC still cannot agree on which agency should enforce regulations for cryptocurrencies, leading to further uncertainty for the industry. According to McHenry in a tweet, for 2 years, Democrats gave Gary Gensler a pass for his disastrous agenda. It's time for accountability. From his destructive climate disclosure rule to his regulation by enforcement of digital assets, Chair Gensler's agenda has weakened capital markets and stifled innovation. Many in and out of the crypto space have criticized the SEC under Gensler for taking enforcement actions against firms involved with digital assets and blockchain technology. Gensler claimed the crypto market was rife with non-compliance, and the Commission had the means, the authority and the will to bring crypto firms into regulatory compliance. Xrp New News Update. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler recently expressed concerns over cryptocurrency compliance and called for proper regulation of stable coins. During a hearing, he criticized the lack of compliance with securities laws in the cryptocurrency field and emphasized the importance of preventing fraud and manipulation. Gensler also clarified that any exchange trading cryptocurrency tokens considered as securities would need to register as a national securities exchange. The SEC chairman also discussed efforts to close the street name loophole and proposed a solution to address the issue of companies hiding behind private ownership. Additionally, Representative Brad Sherman proposed legislation that would explicitly recognize cryptocurrencies as securities, which would clarify the regulatory framework for digital assets. Gensler also highlighted the importance of including custodied crypto assets on bank balance sheets to protect investors in the event of bankruptcy. He emphasized the need for collaboration among various regulatory bodies and stated that the SEC had consulted with bank regulators and accounting firms on this matter. Overall, Gensler's testimony underscores the need for proper regulation and compliance in the cryptocurrency industry to ensure investor protection. Xrp New News Update. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has called on the United States and the United Kingdom to establish clearer rules for the cryptocurrency industry to prevent the development of offshore havens by providing a clear regulatory framework for crypto firms. Armstrong emphasized the importance of transparent crypto regulations to prevent market disruptions and fraud. He warned that without clear legislation and regulation in the US and the UK, firms may be built in offshore havens. While the European Union has drafted specific crypto rules, the sector remains largely unregulated in the United States. Armstrong's comments reflect the urgency for the US and the UK to provide a transparent and robust regulatory framework for the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency industry. Xrp New News Update. John Deaton, a pro-XRP attorney, has shared his thoughts on the recent statements made by Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong regarding the potential for the company to exit the United States due to regulatory uncertainty. Armstrong had made the disclosure at the FinTech Week in London, citing the unfavorable regulatory landscape in the US for crypto firms. Armstrong had stated that Coinbase could consider relocating to more favorable territories if the regulatory climate in the US did not change in the coming years. This follows a trend where other exchanges, such as BKEX, have already announced that they would be winding down their US operations due to unfavorable regulations. Deaton pointed out that while countries like the United Arab Emirates are welcoming an influx of crypto firms, the US is experiencing an exodus. He emphasized that Coinbase has done everything to remain compliant, even receiving permission to go public 2 years ago. The attorney also noted that the emergence of SEC Chair Gary Gensler has made a significant difference in the regulatory landscape. In addition, Deaton asserted that the crypto industry might not receive any regulatory clarity from Congress in the coming years due to partisan politics. He believes that American innovation is being murdered in real time, and the industry must win in court to survive. Xrp New News Update. The UK Treasury's Economic Secretary, Andrew Griffith, has stated that the UK may introduce a full stack of laws for regulating cryptocurrencies within the next 12 months. The country aims to become the world's crypto asset hub and has introduced plans to put cryptocurrencies under regulation, with a period for government consultation running until the end of April. Griffith stated that the UK can now control its own legislation and wants to make the most of this chance, but also emphasized the need to move in an agile and proportionate way. Unlike the US, which has been pressing charges against US crypto companies and exchanges, the UK wants to attract crypto companies to settle in the country and is taking a different approach to crypto regulation. The UK intends to use existing laws, such as the Financial Services and Markets Bill, with the addition of new legislation oriented towards the crypto and blockchain industry. Xrp New News Update. BKEX, a centralized cryptocurrency exchange, has announced the listing of a new trading pair involving Xspectre and XRP tokens from the XRPL ecosystem. XRP will serve as the quote currency in the Xspectre, XRP trading pair, enabling market makers and traders to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities due to XRP's low transaction fees. Xspectre is a Web3 company built on XRPL with its own token, NFT collections, and upcoming metaverse. XRP's trade volume has rapidly increased to an estimated $16 billion on the 4 biggest exchanges in South Korea since the beginning of the year. At the time of writing, XRP was up 1.79% in the last 24 hours at $0.519, while Xspectre trades for $0.09269. BKEX will list XSPECTAR USDT on April 19 at 9 p.m. UTC+8, and the XSPECTAR XRP trading pair is set to open on April 19 at 10 p.m. UTC+8. Deposits for both trading pairs are already open, while withdrawals will be enabled on April 20 at 9 p.m. UTC+8. Xrp New News Update. Artificial Intelligence versus Crypto. Is SEC Chair Gensler in the right? SEC Chair Gary Gensler says artificial intelligence is the transformative technology right now and not crypto. It is important to note that the opinions of different individuals and experts can differ on the topic of AI versus crypto. While SEC Chair Gary Gensler believes that AI is the transformative technology right now, and has expressed his contempt for the digital asset market, others such as Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao believe that crypto and AI can work hand in hand. It is also worth noting that both crypto and AI have a common pressing point, data, and both can be used by one another to solve the problems that may arise from either's use case. In recent weeks, AI tokens have been seeing significant growth, and investors have been funding them the most. However, it is difficult to determine which technology holds more power, as both have their own unique incentives and use cases. Xrp New News Update. Ray Dalio, the billionaire investor, believes that central banks around the world are less inclined to purchase US dollars, as countries now face new competition from China in international commerce. According to Dalio, the holders of US dollar-denominated debt argue that they are already overexposed to the currency, which makes them less willing to purchase more. Additionally, American sanctions on Russia have demonstrated how easy it is for a country to be denied access to its US currency reserves, which has deterred other nations from growing their holdings of US dollars. Finally, China's growth in global commerce has increased the risk that debt assets denominated in US dollars may be blocked, which further decreases the desire to purchase them. As a result, the supply-demand situation for US dollars is getting worse, especially as the US continues to sell them abroad to cover its budget deficit. Xrp New News Update. On your screen is today's summary of the technical indicators for XRP. Based on 11 oscillator indicators and 15 moving averages indicators. Out of the 11 oscillator indicators, 1 recommends selling XRP, 9 are neutral, and 1 indicate a buy signal for XRP. Meanwhile, out of the 15 moving averages indicators, 0 recommends selling XRP, 1 is neutral, and 14 recommend buying XRP. Based on these indicators, the overall sentiment towards XRP appears to be neutral, with 1 of the combined number of indicators recommending a sell, 10 of the combined indicators being neutral, and 15 of the combined number of indicators recommending it is time to buy XRP. However, it is important to note that technical indicators are not always reliable and should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis before making any investment decisions. Xrp New News Update. If you look at the screen of your device now, you will see a Bitfinex chart of the XRP USD trading pair on the TradingView charting platform. The featured chart uses historical daily price cycles to provide expected future price pivot dates for XRP USD. It is important to note that this chart should be used in conjunction with your preferred technical indicators to maximize accuracy. Buy and sell signals from your preferred technical indicators will most likely be triggered on or near the price pivot prediction dates. This chart is updated daily in our videos so that you can watch in real time the accuracy of the prediction method. However, it's important to exercise caution and consider the inherent risks and volatility of cryptocurrency trading before making any investment decisions. Here are the future price pivot prediction dates for the XRP USD trading pair. Be aware, this charting method does not predict price. Instead, it predicts price action. In addition, there is a one-candle window of error on either side of a specific price prediction date on the chart. This means, the actual pivot may come one candle before a specific prediction date or one candle after the prediction date. Now for the date to look out for: Saturday, April 22, 2023, and Wednesday, April 26, 2023. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.